So look at this question. So we have linear by some ugly thing, correct? And that ugly thing, the denominator is being factorized. So if you have something by something means fraction and the denominator has been factorized, you can think about partial fraction. So we have to break down 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square, and then we have x plus 3. Now first start writing. You know that the first factor is x plus 1. So you will writing x plus 1 to the power 1, and you will keep on doing this thing till the time you reached the power of given factor. Okay, so it is 2. So you have to write one more thing, x plus 1 power 2. Now it is being exhausted. Done. Now write down the next factor. So next factor is x plus 3. You should start power from 1 and you have to stop at the given power. So given power is also 1, so you will stop here only. Now look at this. Inside bracket, so you have linear. So if it is linear, you will be writing constant. So constant is a. Okay, linear function, constant function. Inside bracket, it is linear function. So you have to write constant on the numerator. So we have b. Inside bracket, you have constant function. So you will be writing inside bracket, it is linear function. So you have to think about constant function, that is c. Okay, now you have to find out the value of a, b, c. So first take the LCM. If you will take LCM, don't you think that the LCM will be, look at the beauty, you will have x plus 1 whole square, x plus 3. Now think about the coefficient of a. A will carry x plus 1 and x plus 3. Think about b. B will carry x plus 3. Think about c. C will carry x plus 1 power 2. Now if you'll observe the LHS component is same thing, na? Correct? Means we haven't manipulated the LHS component, so it will remain the same. Correct? Now compare the denominator. Denominator is same thing, so you can neutralize. So we will have this thing gone. So let's erase. So we got this part equals to this part. Now you have to find out value of a, b and c. So suppose that we want to find out value of a. Look, right now I don't think that we can find value of a easily, but look at this part. You have this thing, you have this thing. So you can make that component 0 at the same time. Correct? If we will put x equals to minus 1, this a thing and c thing will become 0. Okay, so you will be using the roots of these given factors. Okay, so for the first case we will put x equals to minus 1. So if we will put x equals to minus 1, the LHS component will become minus of 5, and the RHS, this thing will become 0, this thing will become 0, and we will be having, we wrote minus 1 na, so it will become 2b. So the value of b becomes minus 5 by 2. Okay, so we got value of b. Similarly, just behave the same way. So this time what I will do, I will use another factor. I'll use this. Look at this. I can make that component as 0. So can I use x as minus 3 and at the same time both thing will become 0? So put x equals to minus 3. So if it is minus 3, so it will become, LHS will become minus of 11, and focus on RHS. A component becomes 0, B component becomes 0, and look at C component. So C component is what? Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. So it is 4C. So we got value of C as minus of 11 by 4. Okay? Minus of 11 by 4. Correct? Now we have to find out value of A. So how we will find value of A? Look at here. Only this part is time consuming, remaining thing will be okay, totally fine. So for A, you know that you cannot take any random number, but can we think about put x equals to 0? If we will put x equals to 0, hopefully things will get simplified. Okay, so in LHS we will be having minus of 2, and in RHS we will be having 3a plus 3b plus c. Correct? And you know some of the values. You have to find out value of a now. Look at this. Minus 2, 3a we don't know, but we know b. So b is minus of 5 by 2. So it is minus of 15 by 2. And who is C? C is minus of 11 by 4. Correct? Now send everything that side. So can I write 3a equals 11 by 4 that side plus 15 by 2. So I'll make it 4. So it will become 30 by 4 and then minus 2. So I'll make it, I want to make denominator as 4. So minus of 8 by 4. Okay, so if you'll observe, you will have 22 and then 33, है ना? You will have 33 by 4. So a is what? 33 by 4. So it is 11 by 4 because it is 3 times a. So you will get value of a as 11 by 4. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this, how we will simplify things. Now it's done. Almost done. We guys are just little bit away. So we have the question as, question was 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, and we have x plus 3, x plus 3. We can write same, like for time being I will not write this dx and these things. So I will be writing same, what is the need? I can copy paste. Okay, so copy. Now we have this thing over here. Wait a moment. Okay, so you know that I can write this thing as this way, but we have to find integration of this thing. So can I take integration both side? Okay, so integration, you know that if it is integration, in addition you can segregate. So I'll segregate and then put dx everywhere. So we will integrate with respect to x. Now let's update. Who is a? 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is a constant, you can take that thing outside. Dx by x plus 1. Who is b? B is minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 taken outside. Integration of dx by x plus 1 whole square. Who is c? C is minus of 11 by 4. Integration dx by x plus 3. Okay, Now let's do the integration. So you know that it is appearing to be x, means z on the denominator, you will take that thing as z. So you can directly integrate and you can write 1 by 4 log mod, I will be writing bracket, okay, x plus 1 minus 5 by 2. You know that you cannot integrate this thing easily, so what I will do, I will take that thing in the numerator. So x plus 1 power minus 2 dx. I will integrate that part. 11 by 4 and then log x plus 3, okay, and then we have integration, we will do it. So just copy paste again. So it is 11 by 4 log x plus 1, then minus 5 by 2. Now integration of this thing will become what? X plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1. So it will become minus 1. So minus 1 will go to the numerator and it will make it positive here. And then you will be left with x plus 1 to the power minus 1 in the numerator. So that thing in the denominator. Minus 11 by 4 log x plus 3 plus integration constant. So this is the answer. I hope you got the approach, and now if you will find a fraction where denominator is being factorized already, you can handle accordingly. Okay.